Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I am your English teacher. Take out your English practice book. Open page number 27. Simple present tense 2. Simple present tense is also used with basic facts and feelings. So as we discussed that we use simple present tense with basic facts, feelings, habits. So here we have facts and feelings, that we use simple present tense with basic facts and feelings. Look at the example. The sky is blue. So this is a fact that sky is blue. There is no doubt that sky is blue. Second is I am tired. So this is my feeling that I am tired. They are so excited. So this is again feeling of someone that they are so excited. So we use simple present tense with basic facts and feelings. Now look at the exercise. Complete the facts by adding a simple present tense from the box. Okay, here we have some facts and we have to complete them using these words. The first one is the earth dash around the sun. The earth dash around the sun. So as we all know that the earth takes round around the sun. So let's find out the correct word for this fact. Look at this, moves. So write down moves here because the earth moves around the sun. So the sentence would be the earth moves around the sun. We used as with move because earth is singular subject. Next is the sun dash in the east. The sun jump up in the east. So as we all know that the sun jump up in the east. So we will write rises. The sun rises in the east. As we all know that the sun is singular subject, so that's why we will use as with verb. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Vegetarians dash fruits and vegetables. So vegetarians eat fruits and vegetables. Eat. So here you can see I haven't used s or es with the verb because vegetarians, so this is plural subject, so that's why we are not using s or es with verb. Vegetarians eat fruits and vegetables. Honest people always dash the truth. We all know that honest people always tell the truth. So write tell over here. Tell the truth. As you can see, honest people. So this is plural subject, so we are not putting s or es with the verb. A novelist dash novels. Obviously a novelist writes novels, so we will write verb writes. So as you can see, the subject is singular, that's why we have put s with the verb. Humans dash food, air, water and shelter, but plants dash their own food. Humans need food. So where is need here? Humans need food, but plants make their own food. Make. So here you can see we are not putting s or es with the verb because the subject is plural, and same plants are also plural, so we are not putting s or es with verb. A giraffe dashed a long neck. We all know that giraffe has a long neck, so we will write here has. Here is has. We use has with singular noun like he, she, it, and we use have with I, you or any plural subject. So giraffe is a singular subject, that's why I used has over here. A mosquito dash an insect that dash disease. A mosquito is an insect. So I will write is over here. The mosquito is an insect that spreads disease. Spreads. Here you can see spreads. Next is tigers dash sharp claws and teeth. Tigers have. We are using have over here because we use have with I, you or any plural subject. So have. Next is bears dash in winter. So here is the word hibernate. Bears hibernate in winter. So bears hibernate in winter. What is hibernation or hibernate? The condition or period of an animal spending the winter in a dormant state. So bears spend their winter in hibernation. Most of the animals hibernate in winter, as you can see in this picture. Here is another picture of hibernation of a bear. Here is another one. So during hibernation time they eat and drink less. So my dear students, I think it's clear to you that we use simple present tense with basic facts and feelings as well. So this is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.